guys, I'm Ritika. Welcome back to BeautiCo. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you the powders, the setting powders that I absolutely loved in 2019. So let's get started. So the first one hasn't changed at all. I showed you guys this particular powder in my last favorites video as well. It is the Maybelline's Fit Me Loose powder. This has been a constant this particular 2019 as well. I bake with this under my eyes. I set my entire face as well with this. So this is like a all-rounder powder. You can bake with this as well as set your makeup with this. So if you all want to like lightly set your face, you can definitely use this. I'm in the shade medium, by the way. This suits me the best. I used to use light medium, but I felt like it was giving me like a white cast. That's why I switched to medium. This is very finely milled and very lightweight as well. So now the second powder is something that I actually tried because I was getting bored of the Maybelline Fit Me one. This is the Milani's translucent banana powder. Now this is like a yellow colored powder. Let me show it to you. It's almost over now, but yeah, this is like a yellow colored powder. It's very light, so I love to bake with this powder because it slightly brightens under the eyes. I have used this powder to bake today, so as you can see, it's a little bit brightened under my eyes. It's not too stark and white, so I like this powder to bake, not like particularly set my face, just to bake under my eyes. And along with this, I have been using the M.A.C Studio Fix. This is what powder plus foundation, and I'm in the shade MC 41. Now this is again a find that I mean I have actually seen people use this particular powder so often, and I was like, I mean, doesn't it feel heavy and cakey if you apply like a powder foundation on top of foundation, like a liquid foundation? But no, you guys, this is amazing. Even if I'm not wearing like a full face of makeup, just concealer, I love to set my face with this particular powder because it's so lightweight, but it still has so much coverage, and it literally sets my face and makes it so smooth looking. Guys, if you're looking for a powder, this is it. Look nowhere, just invest in this M.A.C Studio Fix powder foundation. You will not need anything else in your life. This particular powder is like so smooth firstly, and it has quite a bit of coverage as well. So yeah, these were the powders that I reached out for most in 2019. Now I'm gonna go and I'll see y'all in my next video where I'm gonna be showing you eyebrow products. So until then, bye.